Today, JTV is brought to you by Chrysal Americas, the makers of Chrysal Rose Pro Solutions.
This week on JTV, I've got a gorgeous guest host and one of my great friends, Tara Kuhnlein.
Oh, it's so excited to be here.
Tara's a host on Take 5 and Company, and I'm on there occasionally with you.
Yeah, we love that.
And so I thought I'd bring you on here today.
Oh, I love it.
So what are we going to talk about today?
You know, we're going to talk about something that you know a thing or two about, I know, Rose Pro Hydration.
Oh, we are.
Yeah.
And we're going to also make these gorgeous hand-tied bouquets.
Yes.
Before we get started with today's project, let's talk a little bit about hydration, Chrysal style. Rose Pro Hydration is the perfect hydration system for roses, but it's not limited to roses alone. We can use Rose Pro Hydration for Gerber daisies. We can also use hydration for hydrangeas as well, and of course, roses. The interesting part about Rose Pro is that it contains a surfactant, which allows the flowers to take up water better, and it allows the flowers to become hydrated. Now, it's not just water that's involved with hydration. Rose Pro Hydration gets the flowers drinking faster. The interesting part about that is it's the same way that Gatorade works. You think about the fact that water keeps us hydrated, but Gatorade helps athletes hydrate themselves. Rose Pro allows flowers to start the hydration process, and the water then keeps them hydrated. And here's a JTV Green Alert. Like all Chrysal products, Rose Pro Hydration is reusable for 5 to 7 days. Be sure that you keep your buckets clean. As a concentrated product, it has a lower carbon footprint as well. There's no quick or single-step solution to the dilemma of rose hydration. Although people use Quick Dip, and it cleans the stem, which is good, it's not a substitution for hydration. Hydration cannot happen in 2 seconds. It takes hours for the best result. Say we get our flowers in and we only have 1 day to get them out on the road. We get our roses, and the first thing we do is strip the stem. We get the leaves below the water line. We can also use the great stripper that comes along with the Rose Pro kit. It's a unique rose stripper. It doesn't cause any scarring of the stem. It doesn't scrape or tear away anything and cause a wound. We simply lay it over the top and strip it down the end. It also knocks the ends off of the thorns, which is also a great benefit. Our next step is to cut 2 inches off the bottom of the rose. That's the best practice. And then it goes into our hydration solution. The hydration solution cleanses the stem and gets the flowers drinking faster. So, into hydration for 1 to 2 hours, time permitting. Longer, if you can. Then, into the Vase solution. You can also use Professional 3 or Professional 2 for holding. Send along a Rose Pro stick. This is the first liquid rose food. The liquid assimilates better to the water and into the flowers themselves. Let me show you how easy this is to use. And we pour it in to the water. You'll notice it's different than a powder because it actually gets into the water faster. So now that you know the secrets behind Rose Pro and hydration, let's get started with today's project. So let me introduce my guest star for today, Tara Kuhnlein. Thanks for coming.
Thank you for having me.
You know, it's been exciting because you were requested to be on our show.
I was.
You know, we do our little Take 5 deal.
Right.
And I usually post that little flip video up on my Facebook page.
Which always looks so good.
Oh, thanks.
Yeah.
I'm just shooting the TV at home.
Hey, it's amazing what we can do with technology these days.
That's right. And so you're on there, and we usually talk about care and handling and stuff.
Right.
And the guys at Chrysal were like, we want Tara to come on JTV.
I
And
love
I thought
that.
that's
I
so
feel
awesome.
honored.
Mhm,
I feel
exactly.
honored.
So the Chrysal guys really like you, so I'm just kind of watching
Well,
my
I thought
back.
because you liked me.
I love you.
Okay, good.
You know that. So Tara and I are on WZZM Channel 13 here in Grand Rapids. live TV show, Take 5 in Company. You're one of the hosts.
I am, yeah.
And you have me come on and we do flower expert stuff.
Yeah, once a week pretty much.
Yeah, so I thought it was fun for you to come here.
Well, as our Person of the Year on Take 5, you know, you were coming on every week, and we loved you so much that he got our prestigious Person of the Year award. So that was a big deal for us, too.
It was a big deal it made me cry. I was sitting at home, I was like,
we don't want you crying.
This is so nice.
I love it.
Yeah.
Love it, we love him.
It was good. So I figured today, we were talking about Rose Pro Hydration and the cool things that you can do with flowers. And what's your favorite flower? What are your favorite flowers?
You know, it's funny, roses are probably one of my favorites.
Okay,
that
awesome.
and Gerber daisies are my two favorites.
Both of these guys benefit from this great product that we have today. So I thought it would be fun to show you how easy it is to take a few flowers and make a nice little presentation.
Well, I'm a flower rookie, and I know that you're sort of the expert, so any advice, I'd love it.
Okay, that's going to be cool. We're gonna create a European hand-tied bouquet.
Okay.
How about that?
Let's do it.
So our roses have been hydrated, which is the best part. And the cool thing about that is, with Rose Pro Hydration, we know that our flowers are going to last longer than they possibly, would, because we've done the right thing to them to make sure they're nice and they're beautiful and they've got great water inside them and everything. Okay. And so we want to just continue that process. So everybody's been processed, they're in buckets, and now we're going to start. I've got a bucket for you, a bucket for me, so we're going to tandem this.
Oh, love it.
Now, just one more thing, which I think is extremely important, your fingernails today. I think that this is awesome because it's Chrysal blue.
Really?
Yeah, this is the color of their tools, the color of their packaging.
Who would have known, right?
It was perfect for you.
I know.
So
it was like a subconscious thing. I must have known.
I think you're going to be the new spokesmodel for Chrysal. I think, and that's probably coming down the line. So.
Oh, I love it.
All right, so just select one of your pink roses. It can be any one you want.
Okay.
And what we want to do is we're going to, yours is good because yours is a little pre-stripped. I'm going to strip a few of my leaves off, but yours are okay there.
Okay.
So, okay. What we're going to do is we're going to make it in our hand. Okay. And you can make it in your right hand or your left hand, doesn't make any difference. Okay. But we're going to place our flowers into our hand, and we're going to place them, just think about this being our vase. That little area is going to be our vase, and so we're going to put all of our flowers into our vase.
Okay.
Okay.
2/3 the way up then?
Yeah.
Okay.
Like right under, actually you're doing so good because you're right under your leaves. That's perfect.
Okay, good.
Okay. Now, grab another rose of another color.
Of another color. I'm not listening to directions very well.
Oh, you're doing okay. It's not going to be a problem.
Now this one has more leaves. Should I pull
some
of these off?
Yeah, pull a couple of those leaves off.
Okay.
Actually, you know what? Here's a really good tip for us. Let's take our roses and let's put them on the table and let's pull those leaves. Okay. Because that's going to make it easier for you. Sure. We're going to take those roses off all about this place up and just kind of pull them off.
There we go.
There you go, yeah. You can be tough with them. That's right.
But they're so fragile.
No, they're not as delicate as you would think.
They're not?
Yeah,
okay.
That's the cool part about them. You want to watch out for thorns. I cleaned yours a little bit. Oh, because see, there's like a little thorn there. One. Yeah, I'll get rid of him. There we go.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm. We do
Always
not want you.
looking out for me.
I know. Don't want you getting stuck. Now we're ready. Everybody's cleaned up. Here, let me get rid of that for you. No. I'm all about keeping it clean for you. There we go.
There you go.
Okay.
Good.
All right. So now, this is going to be so easy. Okay. All right, so we take a flower. We put it into our hand.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, pinky tuition.
Start with this one.
Okay. Then our second flower goes into our hand, and remember, we have that little vase, and we're laying our next flower at a 45-degree angle and on top of the last flower that we put in our hand.
Okay.
Okay.
Think I got that.
Next one, we can use one of these little spray roses.
Little baby ones.
Yep. 45-degree angle and on top of the last one that we put in. Oh, look, you're natural. You are.
Oh, I'm trying.
That's right. Okay, so next one.
I'm trying to impress you.
45 degrees and on top.
Okay.
And the next one, 45 degrees and on top. This is super repetitive, but the key behind it is the 45-degree angle and on top. Because what happens is it starts to form a spiral at the bottom.
Okay.
And that's going to be perfect. So now if at any time you feel like you want to add a flower to a different area, you can turn the whole bunch around in your hand if you want to, but you know, you can keep adding. So then another 45-degree and on top. And what we're doing is we're keeping our flower heads even at the top. Because then what's happening is we've got that great, we're getting...
Oh, look at that.
Aren't you impressed?
I am.
I told you. See, it's just the tricks. It's all the tricks. Like you taught me the tricks for being on live TV. I just go on and let Tara lead. That's
You're kind of a
do.
natural, though.
Well, I try and be good for you guys. So just always 45 degrees and on top of the last one that we put in our hand.
Okay.
And you can just flip-flop and switch back and forth from different colors. You're doing it so gently. I think that that's interesting because I think because
I don't want to hurt them.
I know.
I know you told me they're delicate, but I don't want to hurt them.
But, you know, and at the same time, I think it's interesting because I think you bring an entirely different appreciation to the product than what we have. Because to us, unfortunately, sometimes as professionals, this becomes a commodity to us. You know, it's the thing that we work with every single day. And we don't realize what effects it has on people and the emotional ties that people have to it and how they feel about it. So, and I think it's interesting because people have said to me too, you know, I'm afraid I'm going to do it wrong. I'm afraid that it's not going to be right. And, you know, you don't have to worry about that with flowers because the most important thing is that you're pleased with what you create.
Right.
And so that's just something I try to teach people because I think that they get so involved. Look what you're doing. It's beautiful.
It looks so
I know,
good,
it's perfect. Okay. So just keep adding.
Well, it's like an art. It's like an art. You know, putting flowers together, you know, and, you know, I remember asking you on a Take 5 segment, you know, can you put, you know, different colors together? Like, what's wrong? What's right? You know, and you were just like, hey, you know?
The cool thing about flowers is that there's a natural iridescence that actually happens with them and the colorations that they have. So you can many times put just about any natural color flower together and they're going to go together because there's little reflective qualities inside the cell structure that still go across side to side to side to side. And so from that aspect, it's pretty hard to get stuff that doesn't look great.
I think mine look pretty darn good.
You are doing awesome. So see, it's a special process of just putting those guys together.
Oh, I really like this color too.
Sweetness. Okay,
Sweetness.
Now I have to tell you about the roses that you're using today.
Please, yes.
This one's called Sweetness.
Okay.
This one is called Priceless. Sweetness because you're so sweet. Priceless because you are priceless. And
sweet.
this one, Hot Lady.
Oh yeah, oh this is definitely mine.
That is definitely you, Hot Lady. And this one over here is Carousel, though.
The Hot Lady one smelled probably my favorite, the way that it smells. Like they all smell really nice.
Yeah, but you know, and I think, isn't it cool that you can give flowers that have great names?
Yes.
You know,
it's
I
like
think
nail polish.
Yeah.
Someone came up with these fabulous names.
That one is definitely set to you. Now let's see what I got. I have Cherry Brandy over here. I have chilies. I have orange milva, or dark milva.
Okay.
Cinnamon. So yeah, mine's more food related.
Yeah,
Imagine that. Mine is completely about food. Yours is completely about being hot.
Yeah.
There we go. It's exactly the way that it all works. That's
Did you plan
perfect.
that?
I didn't try to, but you know, life has a funny way of making things work out.
How does this look? Did I do a good job?
You did a great job. Okay, so I'm going to show you how we're going to tie this off.
Okay.
Okay, so we're going to take, this is a great little, it's a paper covered cord from Reliant Ribbon.
Okay.
And I'm just going to lay it in my hand so that part of it extends down this direction. And then I'm going to bring that around those roses right where I held them together.
Okay.
Right where my hand was, so that I get them in a nice tight area and just tie it off like that. And then we can cinch it up tight. Because the important part about tying a bouquet like this is having it be tight.
Okay.
And if it's not tight, we're not going to be able to do our final step with it.
Okay.
Okay? So then it's tied off like that, nice and tight in that binding area. So we'll get you.
I feel like I'm holding on to maybe a few too many leaves on my stems.
Okay.
that
And
a
you know what we can
problem?
do? Hold on.
What's the quick fix?
Let's quick
So
fix.
I don't want to ruin it.
Right. We'll take those out of there. Because you know what? You're absolutely right. Getting those leaves out of the inside of that helps you bind it together. And then those also aren't going to go under our water level.
Okay.
You know? And because this is your first one, we're going to give you a little bit of latitude on that.
I appreciate
Absolutely.
that.
Not a problem whatsoever. And again,
Okay.
look at, you got a great spiral back
Better,
here.
yeah.
Pretty flowers up there. Okay,
Okay.
so I'm going to hand that back to you.
Okay.
Okay.
Got it.
And this little guy goes underneath your thumb.
Okay.
So this is sticking out this direction.
Okay.
Then you're going to wrap that right above your hand. Terry, you are a natural.
Just a little slower than yours.
There are going to
but-
be people who want you to work in their flower shops.
Oh, I don't know about that.
I know. No, they will. You know, that's what they want.
Well, they know there'll be a lot of TLC going into it, that's for sure.
That's
it may take a
exactly.
week for me to get their order to them, but...
You know, one of the things is that a lot of people have in their stores a place where people can come and They can watch the flower arrangements being created, and they like to watch the designers do it, so that would be cool because people would come to watch you and look and watch you do it, so that would be a fun thing too.
I love it. People come watch you?
Oh yeah. It's really funny because
well,
sometimes I'll do.
Obviously on JTV, obviously.
Yeah, but like even when we do
in real life, it's fun to see how it
when
works.
we do the little demos, down at the Home and Garden Show, people love all that stuff. Okay, so
is
here,
that good?
let me show you another little trick. Set him right here on the corner of the table.
Okay.
Okay, because that's a great little place for it. And then you can grab these guys and just
tighten it a little more.
cinch it up nice and tight. And we're going to tie that in a knot.
Well, Leaf's trying to get in there.
He is getting in there. There we go. All right, so now here's where it's going to get really impressive, okay?
Ooh, I'm excited.
I know. So put one hand there.
Okay.
Okay. And then I'm going to hand you this little guy.
Are you sure you want to hand these to me?
I know I do. I'm going to help you though. Okay? So see where this one is right here? Cut right across there. Cut across the other ones. And you'll have to grab a couple at a time and stuff. It's going to be a little bit hard, but there you go.
I use my guns.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Because you are the workout girl.
I am the workout girl. The fitness guru of the show.
You are.
Yeah. All right. Almost there.
You are.
That one's a little longer.
It is a little bit longer. Okay.
It's like out
now
there.
hold on. I'm gonna do that too. 'Cause
Okay.
We're gonna do a double reveal. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So then we take our arrangement.
Okay.
Just set it on the table.
Oh my gosh!
Aren't you awesome?
Well, who would have thunk that?
I know. It's exactly right. And you know
beautiful.
what? It's all because of the 45-degree angle.
Yeah.
And what
Got a little
happens is
teepee.
it splays them out. That's how they do it in Europe. Because then what
wow.
happens is they cut that, they can send it home with you, you bring it home, and you can actually set it in a little low tray if you want to.
Okay,
And so it'll stand up on the table.
Oh, I love that.
Okay, so we have vases today.
Because they need to stay hydrated.
Exactly,
Right.
and we want to make sure that they have water.
Okay.
And so this is the new Rose Sticks. It's the Rose Pro. Now they call it a stick because it's a liquid rose food inside.
Okay.
And the great part about that is it assimilates to the water better, okay?
So it's different than powder.
It's different than powder because powder has to be mixed in.
Yeah.
But this actually mixes
It's
to
a
the
liquid,
water
so, yep.
even better.
Okay.
Yep. So it helps keep the water clean. It has sugar in it so that the flowers will get prettier and bigger and have more color. Controls the levels in the water itself so that it makes it just the perfect formula for the flowers themselves.
I have a question. I know that you're supposed to change the water every couple of days in the vase, right?
If you're using this, you don't have to because what that does is it deters bacteria growth inside the vase itself and the sugars that are in there. So what would happen is when it gets down there, you'd add water and then add more of this. Because the great part about this is this keeps the water clean. So it's cool.
Cool.
When you're using that, you don't ever have to worry about those things.
Good to know.
So you can throw that in there if you want to.
Okay.
You can use a little scissors. That's perfect.
Yeah.
That's good.
I don't want to use my teeth.
No.
All right.
Now see, wasn't that easy?
That was easy.
Yeah. Then our flowers, we take those and they go down inside the vase. Now the cool part about these vases too, these are vases from Floroglass and they're shaped perfectly. So notice how it lets your stems still splay out at the bottom and lets your flowers spread out at the top too. So there's two different sizes. There's this tall and short one. So you got plenty of stuff.
I think this looks pretty good.
I think.
I mean, for a beginner.
You got it going on. I'm telling you.
Got it going on,
You got it going
Jay.
on. If you don't ever want to be a television host anymore, you can be a flower designer.
Really?
You're welcome here anytime. You know that.
Can I be your intern?
Absolutely. If you would like to be my intern,
Hey, you
you
never
are
know.
more than welcome.
You never know.
That's exactly right.
Good to know.
So thanks for coming by. I appreciate
Thank
that.
you for having me on. This was fun.
I'm so happy that you came by, and I'm sure made the guys from Chrysal happy too to have you here because
well,
they,
that
as I said,
is a
big
huge
fans.
honor, huge
you got
honor,
big
so
fans in
thank you.
Miami,
No,
so
thank
that's
you.
cool. All right, so Chrysal Hydration, a perfect way for you to get your flowers hydrated and allow them to last as long as they possibly can. Until next week, keep having fun with flowers.